Area for Class 9 CBSE. Question. A paper boat is made in the shape of a trapezium. AB is parallel to CD. AB equals 6 cm. The non-parallel sides, AD and BC, are equal in length and are 5 cm. The distance between the parallel lines is 4 cm. A. What is the length of CD? B. What is the area of ABCD?
Okay, so what is given in this question is that AB is 6 centimeter and this is the trapezium which is there, and BC is equal to AD, so these two sides are equal and both are 5 centimeter. What we need to find out in this sum is that the length of CD, and the height of the trapezium is given as 4 centimeter. So this is 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees. So if this right angle triangle, this is the hypotenuse, so you have QC square plus QB square is equal to BC square, which is 5 square. So QC square is 5 square minus BC square, which is 4 square, which is equal to 9. Hence QC is equal to 3 centimeter. Also, what we will have is PD is equal to 3 centimeters. And we have so this has become a rectangle. If you see, this is, since this is the height, this is a 90 degrees. So PQ is equal to AB is equal to 6 centimeter. So we have CD is equal to 6 plus 3 plus 3, which is equal to 12 centimeters. So this is the first part of this equation, this answer. So for the second part, we need to find out the area of ABCD, and the area of ABCD, which is the trapezium, is half into sum of the opposite sides, sum of parallel sides into the height, right, or the distance between them. So this is equal to half sum of the opposite sides are 6, which is AB, plus CD, which is 12, into the distance between them, which is 4. So this is equal to half into 18 into 4, which is equal to 36 centimeter square.
Question. Refer figure where the shape W has been drawn. The opposite sides are parallel. AB is parallel to IJ, BC is parallel to HI, CD is parallel to HG, DE is parallel to FG. The distance between the parallel lines is 3 cm at all places as shown in the figure. AB equals D equals 8 cm. IJ equals HI equals GH equals FG equals 4 cm. What is the area of this W shape?
So what is given in this figure of W is the opposite sides are parallel. AB is parallel to IJ, BC is parallel to HI, CD is parallel to this, HG, and DE is parallel to FG. And what we need to find out from this is the area of this figure. What is also given is that this length is 8 centimeter, this length is 8 centimeter, and these shorter lengths are 4 centimeters, right? And also is given that the distance between the parallel lines is 3 centimeters. So what we will do is, to find the area, we need to break it down into quadrilaterals. So we will join this, and we will join here. We will join it. The area of the trapezium ABIJ is half the sum of the two opposite parallel sides. So it is 4 plus 8, which is the average of the sides, into 3. So this is equal to 6 into 3. So this is equal to 18 centimeters square. So next, the area of this parallelogram, which is here, BCHI. So this is the base into height, and this is 4 into 3. So this is 12 centimeters. Same way, the area of CDGH is equal to 12 centimeters square, which is also a parallelogram. And the area of DEFG, which is a trapezium, is half 4 plus 8 into 3, which is equal to 18 centimeter square. So the area of the W shape is equal to the sum of all of this. So 18 plus 12 plus 12 plus 18, which is equal to 60 centimeter square.
Question. A rectangle and the parallelogram have the same perimeter and corresponding sides of the rectangle are equal to the sides of the parallelogram. The internal angles of the parallelogram are not 90 degrees. Prove that the area of the rectangle is greater than the area of the parallelogram.
What's given here is that this is a rectangle ABCD, and you have the parallelogram with the same side, same length. So you have got AB is equal to PQ. So this and this side are equal, this and this are equal, these two are equal, this and this are equal, right? What we have to prove is that the area of the rectangle is greater than the area of the parallelogram, right? So what is the area of the rectangle? It's base into height, right? So it's a base into this height. So area of ABCD is AB into BC, and on the other side, the area of PQRS is PQ into height. Now, so to be able to find out the height, so let's draw the perpendicular height, and this is 90 degrees, and this is H, so call this point O. Now this is a right angle triangle here, SOP. SOP is a right angled triangle, and PS is less than SO, which is same as H, right? Hence area of PQRS will be less than area of ABCD.
Question. ABCD is a rhombus of side 12 centimeters. The midpoints of the sides of ABCD are joined to get a quadrilateral LMNO. The midpoints of the sides of LMNO are joined to get another quadrilateral PQRS. Area of the PQRS is 24 square centimeters. Find the following. A. What is the shape of PQRS? B. What is the shape and area of the quadrilateral LMNO? C. If the longer diagonal of ABCD is 16 centimeters, what is the length of the shorter diagonal? D. What is the height of the rhombus?
So what's given in this Question is that ABCD is the rhombus. So the sides of the rhombus AB is equal to 12 centimeter. So the midpoints are being joined together. So you have this figure LMNO. So what would the shape of LMNO be? LMNO is a rectangle, because these will be 90 degrees, but the length of LM and MN will not be the same, since rhombus is a skewed figure. I mean, this can be proved, but this is quite intuitive and it should directly do it unless someone is asking for the proof. And inside this figure is again the midpoints are being joined. So PQRS will be again a rhombus, because the lengths will be equal and their sides are parallel. Okay. So the first question, first part, which is here, is what's the shape of PQRS? So PQRS is a rhombus. Okay. Second part, what's the shape of LMNO? That's a rectangle. And the next part is what's the area of LMNO? So we are also given, if you remember, that the PQRS area of PQRS is given as 24 centimeters square. So if you join the midpoints of this rectangle and you get another figure, and that area is since it's joining the midpoints, its area is half of the area of the bigger quadrilateral. So the area of the LMNO is double of this, so which is equal to 24 into 2, which is equal to 48 centimeters square. So the next part is if the longer diagonal of ABCD. So ABCD longer diagonal is actually this. So what is also given is AC is equal to 16 centimeter. And what we have to find out is what's the length of BD. So the area of a rhombus ABCD is equal to AC into BD, half of this, right? So the area of ABCD is is double the area of this rectangle, which is formed by joining the midpoints. So this is equal to 2 into 48, which is 96 centimeters square. So therefore BD, which is the shorter diagonal, substituting it in this equation, is 96 into 2, which goes that side, and divided by AC, which we know as 16. So 2 goes here 8 times, 12 times, so this is equal to 12 centimeters. So part D, what we want is the height of this rhombus. So we want to know this height, right? So there is another way of calculating the rhombus area. So area of ABCD is base into height. So this is if you see, base is, we know, is 12 centimeters. So 12 into height. So therefore the height is, we know area of it is 96, right? So 96 by 12, which is equal to 8 centimeter.
Thank you for watching.